When someone adds a product to their cart, that moment is one of the strongest signals of buying intent you'll ever get. That's exactly why placing best cross-sell on the PowerStep page is so valuable. In e-commerce, your fixed cost, picking, packing, shipping, customer service, and so on, don't really change whether the customer buys one item or multiple ones. This means every extra product added to the basket is often far more profitable than the first. And that's where best cross-sell shines. Instead of guessing what to show, Clerk's AI predicts the most relevant complementary products based on your entire catalog and how customers interact with it. It understands which items naturally go together, even if they haven't been purchased together yet. By presenting the right accessories at the exact moment customers are most ready to continue shopping, webshops see an average increase of 39% in basket size and 22% in order value for orders influenced by this banner. So by simply placing best cross-sell on your PowerStep, you're turning a single item purchase into a multi-item order, boosting revenue and profit without adding any extra work.